Hi everyone, this is the first video in our chapter straight lines, and today you will be introduced to the properties of a straight line. A straight line is basically a line drawn between two stationary points on a Cartesian plane. It is given in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now let's look into the properties of a straight line. First, the gradient of a straight line. The gradient is a measurement of the slope of the line. There are three ways to measure the gradient of a straight line. The first method is by the formula m equals tan theta. Theta is the angle measured anticlockwise from the positive direction of the x-axis. So here for this straight line, this is theta. Theta is not measured from here, but here. If the slope is like this, then theta is this angle and not this angle. For example, if theta equals 45 degrees, then m equals tan 45 equals 1. The second method to measure theta is by the coordinates. Let's say that we are given the coordinates of 2 points P1 and P2, where P1 has the coordinates x1, y1 and P2 has the coordinates x2, y2. We know that m equals tan theta. So by this right angle triangle, we can see that tan theta equals P2, P3 upon P1, P3. So that will give us y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is the formula for the gradient using the values of the coordinates of the points on the straight line. The third and final method to find the gradient is by the equation ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here the gradient is given by m equals minus a over b. So the gradient of the equation 2x plus 6y plus 5 equals 0 can be given as minus 2 upon 6, that is equal to minus 1 upon 3. The second property of straight lines is the intercept of a straight line. An equation can also be given in the form y equals mx plus c. Here m is the gradient that we learned just now and c is the y-intercept. In other words, c is the value where the straight line crosses the y-axis. So for this line, c equals 1. So those are the properties of a straight line. Now for the tip of the day. Do not confuse between the c in this equation and the c in this equation. Here c refers to as a constant, but here c is the y-intercept. However, you can find the intercept of an equation by rearranging this equation. For example, 5x plus 3y plus 9 equals 0 is in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. When divided by 3, we get 5 upon 3x plus y plus 3 equals 0. By rearranging this, we get y equals minus 5 upon 3x minus 3. Now this is in the form y equals mx plus c. So now we know that the intercept c equals minus 3 and the gradient is minus 5 upon 3. With that, we wrap up this video. I hope this video helped you, and please go through the exercises and answers given in the description below. Until we meet again, take care.